It can take a lot of organization to stay on top of your bills, especially if you have a number of different creditors. So it usually means payments that change from month to month. Payment dates are different for each creditor, and different requirements. And so in the best case, it takes a level of organization to stay on top of it. And when you can't stay on top of it, when you miss a payment, that can get to be really expensive with late fees and punitive interest rates. And this is especially challenging for people with ADHD. And so this extra amount that they spend for missed payments and punitive interest rates is part of what contributes to the ADHD tax, the extra spending that people with ADHD and other people who are non-neurotypical may pay because of the differences in the way their brain works because of their condition. At MMI, one of the ways that we help people deal with that is through our DMP. We're able to take all of the different payments that people have throughout the month for their creditors and bring them down into one single payment. The other thing we do is fully automate it. So that payment comes out of your checking account automatically. People don't have to think about it. And that takes away from some of that mental load and gives people a kind of a better sense of control really over their debts. The other thing that the debt management plan does is it lowers interest rates. So if you are suffering under punitive interest rates because of late payments, it brings those down as we work with creditors. So if that sounds like something that would benefit you, or if you're struggling to manage your bills in the first place, whether or not you have ADHD, you can go to moneymanagement.org to learn more and talk with a counselor.